Hey, hi, I'm Dr. Thomas Marktscheffel. I retired last year from ASMPT and now working as an independent consultant. One practical action that I can recommend companies to take now is just start implementing standards like HERMES and CFX that will allow you to do a first step towards factory automation and creating a digital manufacturing site. An emerging opportunity for doing this is using HERMES to implement automatic conveyor width adjustment, and as a next step then doing automatic program change. This will save you from operator time and it will increase first pass yield safety of the production process. Yeah, digital credentials is a brand new topic. Global manufacturing is a complex process from many data suppliers down to sub-assemblies, assemblies, and the final product. And material needs to be paired with data declaration, and this linkage needs to be secured. And an important topic is how can you trust the linkage between material declaration and the physical data, and digital credential can help you to create this trust, so to ensure provenance and correctness of the material data declaration.